This dog never pays for the subway. For 5 consecutive years, it takes a solo journey, riding 29 subway stops and 11 bus stations every day, then boards the ferry to the other side of the city. Even the local government has issued notices, granting it free access to public transportation, named Boji. All the commuters on this train route know it, showing up at the subway station every morning at 8 o'clock sharp, obeying the rules. If it's crowded, Boji obediently lies down on the ground. After the train travels through 29 stations, Boji promptly gets up. Then, it rushes to catch the bus. Cleverly, it finds an empty seat to climb onto. When the bus arrives at its destination, Boji quickly heads to the next boarding point to catch the ferry to the opposite island. Its daily routine has caught people's attention, making it a local celebrity and prompting local rescue teams to investigate. It turns out Boji isn't a stray dog. Its owner passed away 2 years ago. Every weekend, its owner used to take Boji out along this route to play. Now, without its owner, Boji travels 60 kilometers every day, simply because this route holds its fondest memories with its owner. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.